Hello guys, good morning. Guys, so muli, welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel and of course, unang-una maraming salamat kaagad sa ating mga new subscribers and followers. Okay, so don't forget guys to hit the notification bell sa mga newly subscribers natin para ma-update tayo kaagad sa ating mga newly uploaded na videos. Okay, so sa video ito guys, silipin natin yung ating mga top trending stocks doon sa ating kaibigan na si Investagrams. So, mayroon tayong 10 sisilipin yan. So, let's start. So, tandaan natin guys sa ating mga new subscribers dyan, mayroon tayong dalawang trading setup na ginagamit every time na mayroon tayong charting session. Okay, so ito yung ating market trading setup and yung ating price action or support and resistance combined with our Fibonacci retracement. Ay, yung video nito guys o yung tutorial nito is nandoon sa ating YouTube channel. So, pwede nyo tingnan or i-browse yung ating mga videos or you can directly go to our playlists. Nandiyan lahat guys yung ating mga learning videos. Aralin yan guys and I'm sure na makakatulong yan sa trading journey. Layo na yung ating market trading setup guys. Okay, so good luck sa inyo and hopefully na mamaster nyo nga yung ating setup at makakuha kayo ng other info gamit yung ating mga learning videos. Okay, so unahin na natin muna guys yung ating important note to remember dapat na we need to understand and adapt different kinds of market conditions. Okay, so we need to trading also as a business and each time frames have their own different personalities. Always examine first by yourself through research and backtesting and the final decision will always end into ourselves. So yung ating time frame na gagamitin is yung ating daily time frame for our swing and position trading guys. So isang time frame lang muna yung ating sisilipin ngayon. Okay, so unahin na natin guys yung ating local index. Ganda ng pinakita ng ating local index kahapon. Okay, so halos lahat. Almost. Okay, hindi naman sa halos. So karamihan na green. Alam mo yung mga watchlist nyo green din. Okay, so congrats sa inyo guys. At yun nga, nagkaroon tayo ng pag-bounce near to our MA10 and near to our level 70. Okay, so as our previous charting session, na may potential na magkaroon tayo ng bounce near to our level 70. Okay, this serves as our support. At nagkaroon din tayo ng breakout doon sa ating consolidation level. So, maganda yan guys na pinakita at may potential yan guys na may follow-up green candle pa rin yan or on Monday or as long as na mag-hold above our breakout point yung ating price ng ating local index. Okay, so gaya na aking sinasabi guys na kapag yung price is still above our MA10 pa rin and yung ating short-term trading signal gamit yung ating Marcy setup is above our long-term trading signal, so good to go ya pa rin yan yung ating local index guys. Okay, so maganda yan at nagkaroon ng consolidation and then breakout kahapon. Ay, so sa mga hindi pa po aware, yung ating resistance na binabantayan is from our level dito. So, ayan yung ating babantayan as our resistance. Okay, so dyan lang muna tayo magpo-focus muna. So, medyo malayo pa yan. And yung ating support is yung ating 0.5 o yung ating MA10. So, based doon sa ating market trading setup, so yan yung ating pinaka-support, yung ating MA10. Okay, so good luck guys and congratulations sa mga nakapasok nung Webes bago mag-rally kahapon. Ay, so unahin na natin silipin guys yung ating stock na si ASEN. Okay, so naunahan. Nangunguna ngayon si ASEN. Okay, so yan. So all-time high pa rin yung ating stock na si ASEN and titingnan natin guys. Okay, so kitang-kita natin na nasa overbought level yung ating short-term trading signal and nasa near to our resistance na rin siya. Okay, so yung ating short-term trading signal is near to our resistance level. Okay, so set your trail stop for our swing player dyan upon breakdown doon sa ating level 70 or ating level 70 and level 80. Okay, so set your trail stop yung ating level 70 and 80. Okay, so sa ngayon medyo mataas na yung ating price doon sa ating MA10. So this serves as your momentum play. So kung gusto nyo pang pumasok or mag-play, I think it's better na extra careful. Okay, so reduce your time frame to lower time frame for our momentum play. Pero yung ating entry point talaga dyan, kung nasundan nyo talaga ito at nabantayan, so dito sa level na to and from this consolidation level guys. So dyan nagmaterialize yung ating price at nag-consolidate siya dyan, then suddenly dire-diretso na yung pag-akyat. ng ating stock na si ASEN gamit yung ating daily time frame. Ay, so sa ngayon, yung ating psychological resistance na binabantayan is yung ating 6 pesos. Okay guys, so yan yung ating psychological resistance, yung ating 6 pesos guys. So tingnan natin kung titest niya yan or be-breakout or magkakaroon tayo ng consolidation muna. Okay, so kung magpat-plot tayo ng ating resistance, so pwede natin kunin na doon sa ating 5 pesos. Gamit yung ating 0.5 level guys. Okay, so silipin lang natin guys. Okay, so 5 pesos. 5 there. So nagkaroon tayo ng breakout doon sa ating 0.382 or 5.52 or ito yung ating 5.50. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo dyan ng resistance. Serves as our resistance yung ating 5.50, then nag-breakout siya. So next our resistance is yung ating psychological resistance is yung ating 6 pesos. Okay, so may potential na magkaroon tayo ng breakout or magkaroon din ng pullback. And as long as na mag-hold siya above our 5 pesos, so good to go pa rin yan yung ating stock na si ASEN guys. So para sa mga swing player, set your trail stop muli doon sa ating level 80 and level 70. Ay, so all-time high pa rin. So no resistance, puro psychological resistance yung ating titingnan gamit yung ating Fibonacci retracement and those numbers. Okay, prices, even prices. Okay, so yan si ASEN sa ating daily time frame. And next si D2. Musta na si D2? I think nagkaroon to ng ayan. So umakyat din si D2. Okay, so wala pa rin tayong entry guys. Same pa rin sa ating previous shorting session. So hintayin natin na magkaroon ng breakout doon sa ating short-term trading signal. Okay, so sa ngayon, above our M18 yung ating price. Okay, so wait na lang natin na magkaroon ng confirmation yung ating short-term trading signal. Okay, so observe na lang muna natin yung ating stock na si D2 and yung ating gaya nating sinasabi. So meron tayong resistance. So range trading. So meron tayong trading range from this level and to this support level guys. So yan yung ating babantayan ngayon kay dito. Okay, so observe na lang muna natin. Dapat na mag-materialize yung ating short-term trading signal. Okay, so next si M&M. Okay, so si M&M malakas din to. All-time high din to guys. Okay, so walang patawal yung ating mga all-time high. Okay, so set your trail stop pa rin doon sa ating level 80 para sa ating mga swing trader dyan na nakapasok. Okay, so set your trail stop upon breakdown doon sa ating level 80 and level 70. So parang kan lang din ASEN. Okay, so all-time high pa rin. Okay, so congratulations sa mga nakapasok sa ating stock na si M&M sa level na to guys. So ulit-ulit lang. Okay, so remind lang natin na dito nag-materialize yung ating entry. Okay, so congrats sa mga nakasalo nito or nakabantay. Okay, so sa ngayon, check natin kung ano ba yung mga psychological resistance. So possible na ating next resistance is yung ating 5.50. Okay, so plot tayo ng ating Fibonacci retracement guys. So kunin din natin yung ating 5 pesos as our 0.5 level. Okay, so kagaya din sa ating stock na si ASEN, kunin natin as our 5 pesos yung ating yan. So sa green. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo dyan ng breakout. Confirm breakout sa ating 5 pesos. Gamit yung ating Fibonacci retracement. Okay, so yan. Okay, so yung ating resistance, yan. 5.65. So mayroon tayong consolidation above our 5.30 or 5.29 from this level. So good yan. Let's see guys. Okay, so if ever naman na mag-breakdown yan or bumagsak yung price, as long as mag-hold above 5 pesos, so good to go pa rin yan or magkakaroon ng consolidation above our 5 pesos na presyo. Okay, so si M&M ngayon, ang ating next resistance is 5.65 ng ating resistance. So if ever man na magdire-diretso pa yan, so let's see kung titingnan natin kung iti-test niya or magkakaroon na ng pullback above our 5.29 or 0.382 level naman. Okay guys, so yan lang muna. Hindi tayo masyadong lalayo kay M&M. More on psychological resistance tayo based sa ating Fibonacci retracement dahil nasa all-time high play din siya. Okay, so Ang ganda ng karera ng dalawang ito, si Aizen at M&M. Ay, so congrats sa mga may stocks ng M&M at Aizen. Okay, so next sa ating top trending stocks I see MAC. Okay, so let's start with our stock na si MAC using our daily time frame. Okay, malakas din si MAC, guys. Actually, hindi talaga to supposed to be 2 candles man lang na mag-post siya. Ay, so nag-post nga siya ng isang candle, red candle, then nagkaroon ulit ng another candle. Pero still, good pa rin. Okay, so yun nga lang, still nasa above our level 80 yung ating short-term trading signal, and we have to set our trail stop pa rin, guys. Okay, so para sa mga swing trader dyan. Okay, so parehong-pareho sa ating dalawang stock na si M&M at Aizen. So set your trail stop upon breakdown doon sa ating level 70 and level 80. Okay, so as long as mag-hold siya above our MA10 based sa ating market trading setup, so this serves as our support, yung ating MA10. So kapag nag-consolidate siya dyan, and still good pa rin yung ating stock na si MAC, at may potential pa rin yan na may mga upside pa rin yan. Okay, so sa ngayon nandun siya sa ating resistance actually, so dapat na mag-hold yan. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo dyan ng breakout sa ating resistance level, so dapat mag-hold siya dyan. Okay, so tingnan natin, dapat na mas mainam talaga to na magkaroon muna ng correction near to our MA10, so bago mag-explode yung ating breakout. Okay, so ayaw papigil, so dapat nga na mag-hold siya dyan. Okay, so tingnan natin, dapat na mag-correct yung ating short-term trading signal. Okay, so malakas yung sentiment pa rin ng ating stock na si MAC. At yung ating resistance na babantayan is from our resistance level sa level na to. Yan, so medyo malayo pa yan, guys. Kaya observe na lang natin muna yung ating initial resistance. Tingnan natin kung kaya niyang i-break itong ating resistance, initial resistance na to. So pwede natin tingnan yan as our next resistance, guys. Ay, so pa-price this one, so 8.30. So 8.30 pesos. So yan ating next initial resistance, guys. So sa ngayon, set your trail stop para sa mga gustong pumasok for momentum play, but extra careful lang. I think it's better to use lower time frame if gusto nyo mag-trade for momentum play, but extra careful, guys. Okay, so yan lang muna si MAC. Same pa rin, set your trail stop. Okay, so next si BDO. Okay, so congrats pala sa mga may video dyan kung masundan nyo yung ating mga charting session previously. Okay, so yun nga, because of this volume. Okay guys, so from the first green candle, yan, so na-chart natin yan. The first green candle, so may potential na magkakaroon ulit ng follow-up green candle yung ating stock na si BDO. So ayan nga, 3 pa yung binigay na green candle. Okay, so congrats sa inyo, guys, and gaya ng mga previous stocks, set your trail stop doon sa ating level 70 as your trail stop, guys. Okay, so near to our resistance level 80 na siya. Okay, so tingnan natin, or pwede niyang i-test yung ating resistance. Okay, so ayan, doon sa ating previous short-term trading signal. Okay, so yan yung ating mga babantayan, guys. Okay, so tingnan natin kung i-break niya yung ating level 80 or magkaroon ng pullback, and then didiretso niya ulit for breakout. Okay, so ganyan yung ating mga titingnan yan, dahil yung volume na nakikita natin dito is hindi yan bero. Okay, so medyo malakas yan, guys. Malakas yung 4 na volume dyan. So that's a good volume and proportional doon sa pag-angat ng ating price kay BDO. So resistance nating babantayan kay BDO is from this level. So very obvious naman. Okay, so medyo malayo pa yan, but let's see, malay natin na malakas yung ating market for these coming days. Okay, so congrats sa inyo, guys, and set your cut loss point, or sa mga gustong pumasok, so pwede kayong mag cut loss point doon sa ating level na to kung sakaling pumasok kayo kahapon. Okay, so you can use this as your cut loss point, or exit naman gamit yung ating market trading setup upon breakdown ng ating MA10. Okay, so yun lang, hindi muna tayo lalayo, guys. Okay, so congrats sa inyo, And let's see. And next is si PHA. Kumusta si PHA? Hindi ko to nasilip last Friday, kahapon. Okay, so nagkaroon dyan ng post candle. Okay, so profit taking na yung nangyari dyan. Si saan ba yung resistance nito? So mayroon tayong na-plot dati na resistance. So to, mayroon tayong resistance dyan that level. Okay, so tingnan natin kung iti-test niya yan. But gaya ng sinabi ko sa previous charting session guys, medyo mataas na yung risk ng ating stock na si PHA. Okay, so extra careful lang guys. At kung papasok kayo, I think for me guys, it's better to wait na lang na magkaroon ng correction on near to our MA10 man lang yung ating price. So, medyo malayo yan talaga. Okay, so taas ng kanito. Ang lupit. Set your trail stop doon sa ating level 80 and level 70 pa rin guys. Same with our previous charting session. Okay, so yan pa rin. Walang pinagbago. Okay, so may post candle siya dyan. Take note guys, extra careful sa stock natin na si PHA. Masyadong mataas na siya. Okay, so next, yan lang muna guys. Tingnan natin ulit si Tech. So guys, si Tech, kung nasundan nyo yung mga chart na pinost ko sa ating Investagram, okay, so na-mention ko to bago mag-rally na may potential to for bottom taking. Okay, so nagkaroon tayo dyan ng breakout sa level na to. Karoon ng breakout. Ayan. Bago siya magkaroon ng rally. Okay, so bago mag-breakout yan. So from this green candle. Okay, so nakita natin to na may potential na magkaroon to ng rally. Okay, so ayan nga. So nag-consolidate na siya above our breakout point level 0. Tingnan natin guys. Okay, so nasa momentum stage na siya. So may potential pa rin yan guys na magkaroon tayo dyan ng follow-up green candle. And because of this volume ulit. Okay, so supported siya ng ating mga volume. Okay, so set your trail stop para sa mga nakapasok sa ating market trading setup from this level. Okay, so ganda guys. Okay, so kitang-kita natin yan guys. Kung nasundan nyo yung ating chart o nasundan nyo ako doon sa ating Investagrams. Yan, nagpo-post ako doon ng ating mga chart. Okay, so congratulations. Okay, so yung next resistance nating babantayan is from this level. So pwede natin kunin muna to. Set as our initial resistance guys. Okay, so tingnan natin. Okay naman yung consolidation niya dito. So malaking potential yan guys na magkaroon ng breakout ulit. Okay, so dyan lang muna tayo guys. Yung ating focus at medyo malayo pa rin yung ating resistance as our major resistance. So medyo malayo pa yan. So dyan muna tayo mag-focus sa ating initial resistance. And the same time, yung ating resistance din doon sa ating short-term trading signal. So tingnan natin kung iti-test niya yan. Okay, so sa ngayon, good yan si Tech at nag-consolidate above our MA10 and level 0. Okay, so congrats guys sa mga nakapasok sa level na to. Okay, so next, si MRC. Kamusta si MRC? Okay, so yan, nagkaroon din ng profit taking. Malakas yung profit taking natin. Okay, so although mayroon tayong entry nung upon breakout at nagkaroon tayo ng post candle dyan for profit taking. Okay, so nasa momentum pa rin yung ating MRC. And congratulations guys. Okay, so breakout siya dyan sa ating level price na to. Okay, so tingnan natin dapat na mag-hold yan or mag-hold yung price above our support line or breakout line. Okay, so as long as above our MA10 yung ating price and yung ating short-term trading signal is still above our level 70 and long-term trading signal, so malaki pa rin yung chance yan guys na may mga upside pa rin yan. So dyan papasok yung follow the trend. Okay, so congrats sa inyo guys. And resistance nating babantan, ayun. So nasa resistance level din pala siya. Okay, so talagang nagkaroon talaga ng profit taking. Okay, so sa resistance level pa rin siya. So hintayin natin ganyan guys. Tingnan natin kung i-break niya yan or magkakaroon muna ng consolidation above our breakout point. Okay, so sa mga nakapasok dyan, I think it's better na set your cut loss sa breakout point or if kaya ng risk appetite nyo is doon sa ating MA10 upon breakdown. Okay, so sa ngayon, observe natin muna guys. Okay, so observe natin na dapat mag-consolidate siya muna dyan at bago mag-breakout. Okay, so may potential pa rin yan. Okay, so yan si MRC para sa ating daily time frame. And last is si EAPX. Anong meron? At umakyat si mining. Yan. Okay, malamang for bounce play. Okay, so makikita natin yan sa ating lower time frame. But for our daily time frame, okay, so wala pa tayong entry gamit yung ating market trading setup, guys. Okay, so price below our M18 and ating short-term trading signals below our shifting level 50 and long-term trading signal. So observe na lang muna natin yan, guys. Okay, so mayroon tayong gap up na nangyari dyan. So as experience at na-observe natin, most likely talagang binivisit ulit yung ating mga gap. Okay, so observe natin yan. This serves as our support. Tingnan natin kung kayang mag-bounce dyan or kapag nag-breakdown. So observe natin yung ating level. Okay, so i-fill niya yung ating gap from this level, guys. Okay, so tingnan natin yan. Okay, so resistance, of course, yung ating MA10. Okay, so yan lang muna, guys, si EPX sa ating daily time frame. And yan pa ba? So wala na. Okay, so tandaan natin, guys, na yung ating trading is all about probabilities. Okay, so if you stick to those higher probability trades, then there's a better chance of coming out ahead in the long run. Okay, so yan yung ating charting session ngayon at maraming salamat. And please subscribe, guys, and share. Comment down your questions and any request, guys, is highly appreciated. Okay, so maraming salamat and have a nice day.